Alrighty guys, in today's video with FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at importing TGA files. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload training videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on importing, so I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Otherwise, when it gets to TGA file format, it is also raster based, and it's quite popular in the animation and video industry, but you do use it from time to time. It's similar, you can say, to JPEGs and bitmaps and so forth. But in any case, in order to do that, we have to locate our import tool. So you can either go here on our standard toolbar on top, and then there's this little save icon that shows an arrow to a little paper. If you hover your mouse, it'll say import. Or what you can do, you go on top to file, and then we navigate to import there. Once we click this, it'll pop us up. Sorry, my bad, wrong button. Then it will pop us up here, the importing options. So then obviously navigate to where your TGA file is located. Then you can just select it on the right here, or should I rather say, if you don't see it where you saved it, always go to files of type, and then from the drop down menu make sure you select the TARGA bitmap or the TGA. And then on the right here we have a preview button, so if this is enabled you can see what the file looks like it's selected. And then we have linking. Now linking, if you click link on, it will not basically embed this image into your main project. So if you save and you copy your project file and you open it, this image will no longer be there unless you copy the image with the folder. So this is great if you're going to be using it just as a reference and you don't need it in the final product. You can always just link it. But if you plan on using it in the final product, or you want to send your project file without having to copy extra files to, let's say, a client or something, or printers, then you can always leave this one off. Otherwise, we click import. Then it's going to pop us up with some import options, which is the resolution. So then over here, you can set what DPI you want the import to be. Because we only use it as reference, we can leave it at 72. Otherwise you'll probably be looking at 150 to 300, perhaps even 600 if you wanted to do a higher quality print. So then you say okay, give us this box where we want to place it. I'm just going to throw it there for now. And then as we can see here, we've got our TGA image imported. So that is that on importing TGA or TGA file format. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice that we do have a variety of different software, like I mentioned earlier, and also you can isolate your search if you're looking for anything specific. Otherwise, if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, then yeah, we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.